मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, आ गए हैं हम पार्ट 4 लेकर पोलिनोमियल का। इसमें हम करेंगे मिसलिनियस एक्सरसाइज, ऑप्शनल एक्सरसाइज और कुछ बोर्ड के बढ़िया क्वेश्चंस। तो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं सम नंबर 3 से। इफ द जीरोस ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 1 आर a minus b, a and a plus b. Just like these three are alpha, beta and gamma. You know alpha plus beta plus gamma formula minus b by a. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is c by a. And alpha beta gamma product of all these three minus d by a. From the polynomial we have a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, c equals to 1 and d equals to 1. So we substitute here minus b by a. So minus b by a, that is 3. C by a, c is 1, a is 1 and minus d by a, d by a, that is minus 1. Now listen, this is alpha, beta and gamma. If we add all these three, what we are getting, b and b cancel out means 3a. It means this is nothing but 3a, which implies a equals to 1. The first answer. Now we are not using the middle one, we are using the third one. Product of these three, a minus b, a and a plus b equals to, we have to compare with minus 1. Now a is already with us, that is 1. So 1 minus b into 1 into 1 plus b equals to minus 1. Simple formula, 1 minus b square is minus 1, minus b square equals to minus 2. Hence, b equals to plus minus root 2. So a equals to 1 and b equals to plus minus root 2 is the answer for it. Correct? One more question. Sum number 4. Sum number 4 is, if two of the zeros given as alpha 2 plus root 3 and beta 2 minus root 3 for the polynomial x4, 6x cube, 26x square, 138x minus 35. These are the two zeros, alpha and beta. Or what we can say, x equals to 2 plus root 3 and x equals to 2 minus root 3. These are the two zeros. It means x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 minus root 3 are the two factors. X minus 2 we suppose as a plus root 3, a minus root 3. You know the formula, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. If these two separate are the factors, it means their product is also a factor. If we expand it, what we are getting, root 3 square is 3, x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3, that is x square minus 4x plus 1 is also factor of this polynomial, because separately these are the factors, hence their combined combination is again a factor. It means we have to divide x square minus 4x plus 1 to this px polynomial. Now when we divide, what is the quotient? And if we factorize the quotient, we'll have two more zeros. Same type of question again and again. First x square. So x square, x4, x square, 4x cube, x square, only x square. If we subtract it, what we are getting? Minus 2x cube, minus 27x square, plus 138x. Easy. We need minus 2x cube, but we have x square. It means minus 2x is needed. So minus 2x into x square, minus 2x cube, minus 2x into plus 8x square and minus 2x. Again subtract. what we are getting? Minus and minus 35x square and plus 140x. Here it is minus 35. We need minus 35x square and we have only x square. It means minus 35. Minus 35x square, 35 into 4, 140x minus 35. What we are getting? Plus, minus, plus. Cancel, 0. Because we know that this one is the factor. Remainder को 0 आना ही. The aim is to calculate 2 more zeros. And this polynomial will give you the 2 more zeros. And you know from your class 9 how we factorize this one. X square minus 7 5 ja. Correct? Division. X common, x minus 7 plus 5 common, x minus 7, x minus 7 and x plus 5. These are 2 more zeros. It means 7 and minus 5. So 2 zeros already given to you and 2 more zeros we have. Answer. Last question is a very important board question, very lengthy and technically very strong question. Be attentive, be cautious. अगर नहीं आता है तो एक बार नहीं, 2 बार नहीं, 3 बार नहीं, बार बार करिए, मगर प्रैक्टिस. बच्चों को बहुत टफ लगता है क्योंकि डिवीजन थोड़ा अलग टाइप का है. क्वेश्चन है, इफ द पोलिनोमियल x to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by the polynomial x square minus 2x plus k. X square minus 2x plus k. Remainder is x plus a. Then find k and a. Remainder is given x plus a and we want to calculate k and a. Very good question. So first we start with the x square. Here it is x4. So what is needed? X square. X square into x square, x4. X square into 2x cube. X square into k. Kx square. बहुत ध्यान से एक एक स्टेप. Minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus and plus. So minus 4x cube. Here it is x square common. Then inside 16 minus k. ध्यान से देखो. X square common, 16 minus k. And minus 25x plus 10. Next is minus 4x cube, but we have x square. So minus 4x. Minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into 2x plus 8x square. Minus 4x into minus 4kx. Yes or no? Clear? Subtract. These two cancel out. Again x square common. Inside 16 minus k minus 8. Here x common plus 4k minus 25. And last 4x into k, 4kx. So here if x is common, what we are getting? Plus 4k minus 25. Plus 4k minus 25. The last step. We need, this is nothing but 8 minus k. It means you have to multiply here by 8 minus k. Very important point. This is nothing but 8 minus k. So we want 8 minus k x square. So 8 minus k into x square. 8 minus k x square. 8 minus k into minus 2. 8 minus k into minus 2. And 8 minus k into k. Clear? Now we subtract. Minus these two same, cancel out. X common. When we subtract, what we are getting? Be careful. 4k minus 25 minus, this minus will become plus 2. Plus 2 into 8 plus 16 plus 2 into 2k. Here plus 10 minus 8k and plus k square. Yes or no? Now we have x 2k minus 9 plus 10 minus 8k plus k square is a. Question is, they know that this answer must be x plus a. It means what is the coefficient of x? 1. So 1 is nothing but 2k minus 9. 2k minus 9 is nothing but 1. वापस देखो, x के साथ कौन है? 2k minus 9. Here x only 1. Compare 2k equals to 10. So k equals to 5. When k equals to 5, we want to calculate a. Put 10, 5 into 8 minus, so plus k square 25 equals to a. What we are getting? 10 minus 40 plus 25 equals to a. So minus 5 equals to a. Very very important question. एक बार में नहीं आए, दो बार करिए, दो बार नहीं आए, तीन बार करिए. But you have to work hard, especially for this type of questions, where we have division is the same, but since k and x and some other variables are there, that's why we have to subtract very nicely. Now next type questions from boards. Question may be categories small change. Px, when you divide by gx, you are getting qx, and here remainder is rx. Sometimes they will say you, what is the value of some portion of rx, or what is subtracted from the polynomial px, so that gx will be a factor of px. What is subtracted from px so that gx will be a factor of px? And you know, whenever it is factor, we want remainder as 0. So whatever remainder you have, simply compare with 0 and you will get the answer. First type. Second type, they will say, what should be subtracted from px? What should be subtracted from px so that gx will become a factor? This rx is extra. It means you have to subtract this rx. Automatically this will become factor. Gx will become factor of px. So what should be subtracted? So rx should be subtracted. Sometimes they will say, what should be added? If we have rx with us, what should be added? So minus of rx should be added. So rx and minus rx cancel out. So we have to write minus rx is added in px, so that it will become a, gx will become a factor. So these type of questions you have to do from your previous year's board papers or from some reference books. Then only we'll have a fixed confidence. Yes, we'll divide the particular polynomial and get the answer easily. यहाँ तक किया, polynomial chapter आज complete हो गया है. It means आपको बस अब मेहनत करनी है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, ताकि आप polynomial chapter को पक्का कर सके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए. सो पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए और लॉकडाउन का मजा लेते रहिए, मगर कोर्स आगे बढ़ाते रहिए. टेक केयर, गुड बाय.